This guide explains how to refund items on Roblox and get your Robux back. So if you have purchased an item or game pass that you no longer use, Roblox now allows you to request a refund. This guide will walk you through the process. First, decide if you're refunding a regular item like a hat or clothing or a game pass. Remember the exact name of the item and its Robux cost, and you'll need this information later. So go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, and from the menu that appears, select Help and Safety, and then after navigate to Violations and Appeals. The refund option is often found here. So click on Support and fill out the form. Enter your actual Roblox username, not your display name, your first name, your email address that is associated with your account, and enter the same email address in this field to confirm. Under the issue details, select the device that you're having problem on, and on the type of help category, go ahead and select Purchases using Robux. And under help subcategory, select Inexperienced item. If refunding clothing or accessories, choose website item, and if refunding a game pass, choose inexperienced item. In the description box, clearly explain your request. Write, I'd like to refund an item I no longer use, and the item is called a hat and it cost me around 150 Robux. So please refund this item to my account. Also include your username and a thank you. Click on continue in the bottom to submit your request, and this is how to correctly request a refund for items on Roblox. So if this guide was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.